Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Kate here and I'm back with another tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload photos from Instagram on your PC or desktop. So if you are looking for that, make sure to watch the video till the end and do not skip. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, on your desktop, open Instagram app, or else you can also go through any your preferred browser and then from there log into your Instagram account. Here I'm going with an Instagram app. After that, log into your account by providing your email or your username or phone number and then a password. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, now in order to upload a photo, at the left side of your screen, look down and click on create. Once you tap create, a dialog box will pop up where it says drag photos, videos here, select from computer. So click on select from computer and then after that select the photo that you want to upload. Suppose I want to upload this photo. Once I click on that, now again click on open and this is the photo that I want to upload. And after that again click on next at the same box that you will see at the top right corner. Once you click on next, here you can write any caption and you can also add location as well. Once you're done with that, also you can tag people to your photo as well. For that, if you click on there, you will be able to tag other people on your photo. And once you're done with that, click on share and wait until the photos get shared and then your post has been shared on Instagram. So this is how you can share your photos on Instagram from your PC or desktop. That's all for today. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, do subscribe, leave a like and hit the notification bell icon and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.